Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to discuss about the next topic in this chapter. The topic is fast and slow motion. All right. So, here the time taken by particular object to cover particular distance will define the object is undergoing fast motion and slow motion. Means distance moved by a object in a given interval of time decides which one is faster or slower. So let's take the example. Suppose you have a bike and you have a bicycle, right? So these are two vehicles that you have. Now if you want to compare which of these two faster, so now let's try to compare these two vehicles. Now let's say we fix a time interval, and suppose we fix a time interval of 5 minutes, and then we just observe how much distance is covered by this bike and this bicycle in 5 minutes. Now what we see is in 5 minutes this bike could cover the distance around 4 kilometer, and within the same time same duration this bike covered the distance of 2 kilometer. So which one is faster? Obviously here bike is faster. Time interval is the same, right? Time interval is the same, means in the same time the bike covered more distance compared to the bicycle. So that means bike is faster. So the bike is traveling fast, that's why it could cover more distance in the same time when we compare to the bicycle. So this is how we can determine which one is faster. So fast and slow is actually determined by rate of change of position with time. So here according to this distance moved by object in a given interval of time. So here in this example the time interval is 5 minutes, and this time interval decide which object is faster or slower, right? So fast motion and slow motion is actually defined by rate of change of position with time. Time interval is also important here. So now the next one is speed. So speed, it is the rate at which an object covers distance. That means how fast and how slowly an object is able to cover the distance with time. So generally speed means speed is nothing but distance covered and divided by the time taken. So this is how we calculate the speed of an object. This is formula of a speed: distance covered upon time taken. So here the numerical question which is based on your speed. So here a car travels 50 kilometer in 2 hours. So what would be the speed of the car? So here you see the distance covered by the car is 50 kilometer, right? Within 2 hours. So time taken is 2 hours. So we know the speed equal distance upon time. So here the distance is 50 kilometer and time is 2 hours. So 25 kilometer per hour. So speed of a car is 25 kilometer per hour. All right.